Hi, everybody. This is Amanda with Allied Instructional Services. And with the announcement of our tangible access models, I wanted to show you one of my favorite features of our 3D printed representations for all of the computer concepts that we want to teach our students. So, like I mentioned, 3D printed, it has tactile representations of the concepts, but each of our 9 models has another feature I think is extremely exciting. And that is on the back of all of our models, we have an NFC tag. So what I'm going to do now is show you how you can use a smartphone or a tablet to access the audio file stored on this NFC tag. On the screen now, I have the desktop model flipped upside down. So the NFC tag is on the left side, opposite of the hole punches. And I have a smartphone. Any smartphone will work. I just happen to have an iPhone with me. So the NFC reader on my device is at the top. You know your NFC reader location based on where you would tap if you're going to do a tap payment. So you take the reader section of your device and you bring it near your NFC tag, and it might take a couple seconds and then it pops up with a link. And depending on your device, it might show up differently, but you click on your link. On Windows phones, it will open the link in the browser, but you can choose to open it in Drive. So from here, you open it in Drive and play your file. Welcome to the desktop model. The desktop has two important areas. First is the actual desktop, the large region taking up almost the. So you can have a recording of me explaining each of the models to your students that they can access when you are not there. So if they take the models home, they can access it at home. They don't have to rely on a parent who might not know the concepts, or parents. You can have these models as well to reinforce things when your teacher for the blind and visually impaired or your AT instructor are not around. Students can also have their earbuds in and access the NFC tags and learn about the models on their own. And the whole goal of this is to increase our students' independence and conceptual foundation for all of these skills so that they can be more adept users for technology when they graduate from school.